If you're looking for the perfect gift or stocking stuffer for a loved one on your list, look no further than the Oral-B IO, the latest innovation from Oral-B. Only the Oral-B IO is the most awarded brush of 2020, and only the Oral-B IO gives you the wow of a professional, clean feel at home every day. The IO has completely reimagined brushing and is recognized as the #1 dentist-recommended toothbrush brand worldwide. In clinical studies, the Oral-B IO gave users 100% healthier gums in just 1 week when compared to manual toothbrushes. The IO has up to 7 brushing modes, including whitening, daily clean, sensitive, and gum care, so you can truly personalize your experience. Plus, it has Oral-B IO display to greet you, AI brushing recognition technology to connect to the Oral-B app and guide you with real-time 3D teeth tracking, as well as a smart pressure sensor to make sure you're brushing with the correct amount of pressure for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes. The Oral-B IO starts at just $149 and is available online and in store at major retailers nationwide.